This video shows how to prepare a Windows system for real-time C++ program development using Microsoft Visual Studio. There are three main steps required. Install Microsoft Visual Studio, install the PLC Next technology toolchain, and finally install the software development kit for your target PLC Next control hardware. Before proceeding, make sure that Microsoft Visual Studio is installed. There is a free community edition for students and for individuals, and there are professional and enterprise editions available for commercial use. The PLC Next Technology Info Center lists a number of workloads that are required for Visual Studio development. Using the Visual Studio installer, make sure that these workloads are installed. Download the PLC Next Technology Toolchain Setup program for Windows from the Phoenix Contact website. When the download is complete, run the setup program. Read the software license terms carefully before accepting. If Microsoft Visual Studio is installed on the machine, then you'll have the option of installing the Visual Studio extension for C++ for the edition of Visual Studio that's installed. Make sure the checkbox is ticked. A software development kit is required for every PLC Next hardware and firmware variant that a C++ application will target. Download the required SDK from the Phoenix Contact website. When the file download is complete, extract the tar.xz file from the zip archive. In order for the SDK to be used by Microsoft Visual Studio, it must be installed on the host system. It's possible to install more than one SDK, which allows a single solution to be built for multiple targets. You are now ready to write real-time C++ programs for PLC Next control devices.